here with Pastor Frank, and he's going to tell me about his, I'm going to guess 1963?
1964.
Oh, I was close. Chevy Impala. So,
Car I bought in 1977. I was 19 years old. I paid $700 for it.
Wow.
It was a lowrider back then, complete lowrider, cocoa brown with a gold top with a red pearl, had a little steering wheel on it. Anyway, I 19 years old, I kept it. It was my family car. After I turned 21 years old, I began to have a family and it became my family car.
oh,
I let it set for about 25 years, and probably around 7 years ago, I rebuilt it.
well, it looks very nice. What is the color? Is that like
It's
a
cream.
pearl?
It's a cream.
Oh, it's a cream?
Yeah.
I'm going to get some video of it here. I like the, I always like the headliner top. So it's automatic?
Automatic.
Very nice. That's a long car.
They're big.
Yeah, my brother had a, where's that Cadillac? He had one of those, and it was metallic green. Yeah. And he's like, man, I could put a whole family in the back if I turned it into a seat.
Well, they were great cars. They were great cars to take to the drive-in theater.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
Yeah, back
Stuff
in the
them in
day.
there.
Yeah.
Yep.
So we
Well,
had
you go to the
fun.
one on Grove, on Mission.
We went there many times.
Tiki, I
I
think
even
it's
took my
called.
family to that theater many times. Yeah.
Yeah, my dad did. He took us too. 'Cause
Yeah, we had so
I grew
much
up in
fun.
Upland.
Yeah.
That's where
Oh,
we're
okay.
from.
Okay.
Yeah.
I live in Upland right now.
Oh, where? Like,
Foothill, between Mountain and Benton.
oh, okay. I go by there all the time
Oh, yeah.
because my job, I can't drive because of an accident that I had.
Yeah.
A lady smashed my GS. But my wife is kind enough to drive. She doesn't get paid.
Right.
I get paid. I'm due Grubhub food delivery.
Oh, okay.
Oh, that,
So-
I do DoorDash and Uber Eats.
Oh, you
Yeah.
do?
Yeah.
You should do Grubhub.
Oh, yeah, I'm not. I
That
told my
pays you
wife.
more money.
I told my wife I want to get into Grubhub
Oh,
because DoorDash has too many drivers. Their drivers are like crazy.
yeah.
They have tens of thousands of drivers, and there's never no opening spot. So
Oh, it's the same thing with the Grubhub.
yeah, so I told my wife, give me a Grubhub, man. So I'm gonna tell her now. Definitely.
Yeah, it's I don't work because of my anxiety,
Yeah.
and I finally got through to Social Security disability because they kept turning me down.
Right.
But it's, there's that Blazer going again, driving by. There's a lot of good people out here today. Very friendly. The Camaros. There's the SS Cadillacs. Nice Mustang here, Mach 1. Nice car! I want one of these someday. Probably never going to get one, but well, here's wishing. Nice cars. And we have this Chevy. Nice car. What year is it? What year?
What year? 64.
Really nice. Is Eleanor? Sure looks like Eleanor.
Yes, sir. That's a Kylie motor. That's what I got on my pickup. Oh, yeah?
Yours? Nice. Is this Eleanor?
No.
No? Eleanor had the black stripes, didn't she? Huh?
Eleanor, you have to modify. You can make it Eleanor, but you have to add fiberglass and band oil. I will
Oh,
not do that
no.
to my car.
No, I
They are,
wouldn't.
they are for show, but you cannot drive it because they crack everywhere.
Oh.
A friend of mine did that to his car. A big mistake.
Well, I used to go to a Upland auction house, and in the men's restroom, they had a picture of the Eleanor car.
Yeah, it's a beautiful car. Yeah,
Yeah.
It looks real nice. But the thing is, they add so much fiberglass and bando around.
Yeah, but
And when you use it with the bumps, it like in months it start cracking everywhere.
I like the original movie.
That's original. All the
Yeah.
bodies original except for the whole car is modified. Only the body's original.
Oh,
Yeah, engine is.
it looks lower though. You
2018.
lowered it?
We lowered. We put
Okay.
new chassis, new suspension, new rear end, new interior.
Oh, wow, nice Packard.
Wow.
Look at that. I mean, yours is nice too, but my mom used to have a Packard.
Thousands of hours of work.
Oh, I understand.
My son restored it.
Oh, you didn't?
Yeah, he did.
Oh,
Young
yeah.
kid, he's turning 26.
My brother and my dad bought him a 36 Oldsmobile, and he restored those. They restored it, but they built them. They put the. It was a straight 8, so they didn't add the spark plug wires right. I was a little kid, and they were trying to start it. It wouldn't start, so they push started it, and it sounded like it blew up. I ran out of the car. Would you like to get on my channel? I have a Magic Mitch Arts that's on YouTube channel, and your car will be featured on there too. Okay. What year is it?
67.
67. So the 67 is it's a Mach 1 or just a regular Mustang?
It's a 67 Mustang.
Okay. Let me get a picture of the inside real quick. Wow. Very nice. All right. Here's a little one for Carla. Datsun? Yes, Datsun. It's a Datsun. Look at that. Why is there a fuel pump hanging out the back? I don't know. A fuel filter. Interesting.
Change the name. Yeah.
Datsun?
Datsun.
No, I'm doing a joke my dad told me
Yeah? Yeah.
a long time ago. Yep.
A B110 or B210?
I don't know, but he's got his fuel filter hanging out the back.